Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Instagram story, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Instagram story, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, in order to delete a story, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your story button available for us at the top left. Tap over there and all of your stories you had posted on Instagram will be available over here. Now in order to delete your story, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the more button available for us. Tap on that more button and this kind of options will appear where you can see the delete button available at the top of the screen. Tap on delete and over here this kind of interface will appear, and if you choose to delete from Instagram only, tap on it. If you want to delete from both, tap on delete from both, and that story will be deleted from your Instagram and Facebook as well. With that being said guys, this is how to delete stories on Instagram, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.